For a lot of us who were trying to find the meaning behind this chaos, there's a circus in front of us. We know there is a deeper meaning, but the circus has entangled us. Anyways, we are a part of that circus, right? And we are monkeying around in that circus as well. So it's not that I'm just standing here and the circus is going on, I'm totally fine, I'm not a part of it. No, I'm very much a part of it. My emotions are a part of it, my feelings are a part of it, my actions are a part of it. I am there and I'm involved, even if I have a very heightened sense of being able to witness myself, even if I have a very heightened sense of being able to see my ego or see through my ego and through my personality. I am a part of this circus. I'm not beyond it, right? So when I'm a part of this circus and I'm trying to find the meaning in it, there are two ways we can go about it. One is an inherited meaning, because we were born right at this point of time in the cosmic calendar here. So that means we are going through the period of dismantling organized religion. Now we have always felt that हम लोग alien type के लोग हैं, as if we don't belong to this circus, right? That's where that alienness comes from. That within us, that seed of consciousness, because of our personal journey, because of our life cycles, because of the journey of our soul, we have come to a place कि वो जो awareness का बीज है, वो जो awareness की light है, वो अभी किसी के बुझाने से बुझेगी नहीं. So we have come as a soul, we have advanced. I wouldn't call it advancement, but for the lack of words, we have evolved to a point where the awareness, the light of awareness has lit enough that it can't be put off. The fire is enough that nobody else can put it off. To test it, to challenge it, or to learn, we came to earth at this point of time, which is Kali Yuga. So we came at the peak of the darkness, we came at the peak of polarity, we came in the time period that is the peak of polarity. And we came here to find out, will my soul's eternal inner longing for consciousness be put off? And it doesn't mean that we are not in danger, but it also means, because we have come halfway into life, we know that it wasn't put off by anyone or anything, no matter what we went through. That means we know half confirmation we have that our soul is more aligned and more resonant with consciousness, with awareness. I won't call it consciousness because everything is consciousness. Awareness. It's more resonant with awareness. Okay, now you know this truth about yourself, you know this truth about your embodiment, and now look at everybody around you. Take a moment and look at everyone, all your difficult relationships, and